Keep going.
Yeah. Whoa. Oh, good one. Bubble guy, huh? Oh. I open it. You want to open it? Let's see what we got. There you go. Let's see what you got for me. What are those? Can you see that? Can you take them out of the bag so you can look? Hey, it's a reindeer. Look. Look at him. This is Comet. That's this reindeer's name. He's got a sweater with his name on it. Where's this one that's hooked? This one's Donner. He's wearing a tuxedo. Look at that. That's a tuxedo. That's a tuxedo. He's got a cup of cocoa in his hand. May I drink it? Yeah,
You want to drink the cocoa?
You can try and drink it. This one's Prancer.
That's Prancer.
He has a scarf on.
What's this boy?
Oh, who's this one? This one is Dancer.
That's Dancer.
You know what Dancer does?
He dances.
He dances.
Who's this?
You make him dance?
And this.
Let's see who this one is.
And it's gold.
This one is Cupid.
That's
And he's shooting hearts. Cupid. This one's Dasher, and he has skis on.
Dasher.
Look at Dasher has a set of skis. Isn't that funny? Look at that. What did you got?
It had like very big.
Is he skiing?
You want to see what else is in there?
I think there's more, buddy.
This one is Blitzen. And he is apparently a blitzer because he plays football. He's got football in his hand. And he's wearing a helmet. You see it? Remember that one is Dasher.
What's this?
I think that was Donner.
Oh, that was Cyrus Dawn.
Donner has a tux, right?
What's this about?
Look at this. Let me open it. Two more left. This one is Vixen, and she's in a pretty pink dress.
I think Vixen's a girl.
Definitely. You know who this one is? With the red nose?
Who is that? Who has a red nose?
This is Rudolph. See, only Rudolph's nose is red. Everyone else has a black nose.
Where's the hat?
He has a big hat on, doesn't he?
Touch it under Christmas.
Yes. Isn't that neat? You say thank you, Nanny and Poppy?
You say thank you to Nanny and Poppy?
Thank you.
That's nice.
You say Merry Christmas, Nanny and Poppy?
You say Merry Christmas? He likes the skis, huh? Look at all the fun stuff.
You say Merry Christmas? Can you say Merry Christmas?
Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, 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 ho.
Ho, ho, one's Dixon in the pink dress.
Alright.
And what's it?
Signing off.
That's Dasher.
Say Merry Christmas.
That's
Alright.